All right, let's read this diagram. A corner of a rectangular block of wood is cut off and shown in the diagram below. As you can see, this is the diagram that we have. The inclined plane that is triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle having angle ADC, which is this one, ADC, being equal to angle ACD, which is equal to that one. They are both equal to theta. So we have these two angles being equal to theta as well, which means this side is equal to that one. The fact that they are saying it's an isosceles triangle. Then another information also, angle ACB is half theta, which means this one is half theta, and the line CA is equal to 3 plus x, and the last one, which is CD, is given as 2x. So what are we going to find then? The idea is that we are to determine an expression for the angle CAD in terms of theta, which means this angle CAD, which is this angle in terms of theta. So if you have this angle as theta and that angle as theta, this is the third angle, which is going to be what? 180 minus 2 theta. So this angle can be this expression that we are looking for, which is going to be equal to 180 minus 2 theta. Well, moving forward, let's determine what? Let's prove that cos theta is equal to x divided by x plus 3. So we are to prove that cos theta is equal to x over x plus 3. So how do we go about doing the proof? The idea is that we're having this angle, and we really have this side. This side is also x plus 3. Hence, this is an isosceles triangle. And also, what else that we have? We have all the necessary information for this one. So we really have to use cosine rule. So cosine rule works as follows. We have cos theta, which is equal to, which means this is the cos theta we're talking about. Then it is equal to what? Which means this is the derived formula for cos when we are looking for the angle or the trig ratio itself. Now this cos theta, which is going to be equal to this side being squared, which means we're having x plus 3 being squared, then plus this side being squared. I'm taking these sides that are making this angle to be in between. So this is also going to be this side being squared, then minus the side that is opposite to this one. So minus x plus 3 being squared, then they've all divided by 2 times this side, which means we have x plus 3, then times 2 times x. So this is what we have so far. On that note, on the numerator, you can see that these are like terms and they can cancel each other because we have this is positive and this one is negative. So at the end of the day, you get rid of these ones, then you will be having 2x all squared, which is going to give you just 4x squared. Then all divided by, in the denominator, you just have 4x, then times x plus 3. So you have that. So if you can simplify that, we can have this 4 cancel that one, then 1x there cancel 1 there, then you'll be left with only 1x in the numerator, and in the denominator you'll be left with just x plus 3, which is really the proof that we were to prove that sine cos theta is really equal to x plus x divided by x plus 3. So this is what we have. We have used cosine rule to figure out what is cos theta in this diagram. So we are done with number 2. Let's get into number 3. What is number 3 telling us? If it is given that x is equal to 2, calculate AB, which is the height of the piece of the wood. We are looking for the height the AB, the length of AB, if x is given as what? As 2. Now, what are we going to be having? We are having, this is this angle that we have here. Then over there, we are having the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse there, if x is equal to 2, which means the hypotenuse is just going to be 2 plus 3, which is just going to be 5. So we have 5 there. Then what are we having next? We are having what? For this question, we really need to work with what we have over there, because now we're given that x is equal to 2. So let's have cos theta is equal to, in the place of x, let's just put 2 over, then in the place of x we put 2, which means this is 2 over 5. So let's just find theta there. And what is theta going to be? We have cos inverse of 2 over 5. Then finding theta, what is theta is going to be? Then cos inverse of 2 over 5, we get 66,42. So if we are having that one, then here we are going to be having, because here we have half theta, this is going to tell us that if we are to use the trig ratio there, trig ratio that is possible there is sine, because we have sine this angle is that over that. So on that note, we are going to be having sine of half of our theta, and our theta is 66,42. This is equal to our AB, which is what we are looking for, divided by our hypotenuse, and our hypotenuse when x is equal to 2 is 5. Now let's then find out what is this equal to. This is equal to sine, this half of this is going to be 33 comma to 1. So we are having that one, which is equal to AB over 5. So AB is now going to be what? It's now going to be 5 times sine 33 comma 1. Then therefore our AB is going to be 5 times sine 33 comma 1 is now going to be just 2,7. So you can just say 2,7 units. So we have found the value of what? The value of this one, which is 2,74 anyway, for the correct rounding offs for 2 decimal places. So this is what we have, and yeah, this is the idea on how you can deal with this problem. Otherwise, if you have another way of dealing with it, you can just comment down to the comment section. And otherwise, enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. See you right in the next video.